The same geyser that erupted last summer at a hydrothermal vent in Yellowstone National Park has been erupting again, recording live. Video shows steam bubbles in the pool rising slightly before a plume of steam and hot black mud erupted into the air from the geyser. The Yellowstone Volcano Observatory scientists deployed semi-permanent GPS stations in the area to track surface deformation. These stations are installed each spring to strengthen the ongoing GPS network, and they are restored in the fall before they are buried by snow. Maintenance of the geophysical and temperature monitoring stations has also been completed, and a new webcam has been installed at Biscuit Basin. Additional work expected to produce a new seismic acoustic GPS station in the Biscuit Basin. The University of Utah Seismograph station, which is responsible for the operation and analysis of the Yellowstone Seismic Network, detected 119 earthquakes in the Yellowstone National Park area. This activity suggests that Yellowstone is showing signs of an impending eruption due to frequent earthquakes. However, currently, earthquakes in 2025 are expected to be significantly fewer than the average in previous years. Typically, there are 1,500 to 2,500 earthquakes per year. This is normal for the region, given the presence of hot water beneath the surface and pre-existing faults in the area. The U.S. Geological Survey states that the magma chamber beneath Yellowstone is largely solid and will take time to recover to the point where it can support a significant and explosive volcanic eruption. A team of researchers recently discovered a layer of magma about 4 kilometers beneath Yellowstone's surface that acts like a lid and prevents the volcanic system from erupting. The U.S. Geological Survey states that eruptive activity is increasing worldwide, although it sometimes appears so due to patchy media coverage and a few high-profile events, such as the recent eruption of Mount Etna, but even that was relatively small, albeit spectacular. Some claim that volcanic activity is increasing globally. Some theorize that volcanic activity and eruptions appear to be increasing worldwide. Some point to the recent eruption of Mount Etna in Italy, the volcano's first eruption in about a decade. The U.S. Geological Survey disputes this narrative. Volcanic activity worldwide has been relatively stable, and this eruption was not a volcanic eruption, but rather a steam plume from a geyser system. They refer to the Smithsonian's Global Volcanism Program, which tracks all eruptions worldwide. The U.S. Geological Survey stated that records indicate that eruptive activity is no more or less intense now than in the past. The visuals of the eruption were fascinating. It was strange to see black ash spewing from clear water. The U.S. Geological Survey explained that the eruption appeared dark because of the mud that had settled at the bottom of the pool. A similar eruption had occurred several months earlier, and geologists had found mud deposits on the pool's edge as a result. The eruption appeared similar to a hydrothermal eruption from the same geyser last summer. As debris and charcoal-colored steam shot hundreds of feet into the air, it ultimately damaged Black Diamond Pool.